Then once the weekly routine has passed, then come to the weekday, which is the battlefield. We start going to the war. So what you're going to do on that? Again, perhaps the best way is that you have your own daily routine as well. Why? Because that will, again, will enhance a better chance you understand the market and help you to better position yourselves. In case something is wrong, you know how to react. Right? Okay. Take, for example, today, let's say today is Tuesday, our time, morning. All right? So yesterday was US markets, Monday have traded and closed. The morning you wake up, you may want to find out what's happening in US market. It suddenly shoot up or suddenly drop 200-300 points. Okay, you can see in front of the TV, watching Bloomberg, doing CNBC, etc., or Channels New Asia, but you cannot control their program. You have to be more patient, waiting for them to tell you. Sometimes they may be in other program before coming to the topic. But to access internet, it will be much easier. One click away, you can straight away know what's happening already. Our stock market report, right, for example, last night US market and the Europe market. Again, what you can need to do is just go to the stock market report here, because when turn to weekday, there will be a daily report. Talk about it every day. So you can just click USA or Europe market and to access it to see what's happening overnight. Huh? And similarly, you may also want to know like the bond, the currencies, the commodity market reports. Again, you can access it on the same button, like what you do on a weekend basis. Go to the other market report and to access the daily report for bonds, commodity, currencies, gold, oil, etc. Now, come to a more interesting point is that market opening in Asia countries. Let's say, take for example, US market dropped 200 points last night. All right. Then today, you just don't know what you could expect in Singapore market in the opening. Well, luckily, we are not the first one to open in Asia. There are few countries actually open stock trading just 1 hour or half an hour before us. Countries like Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Korea, all these open before us. So at least before our market open, we can take a cue from them, see what kind of their reaction to the overnight US markets. How to see that? Again, you can actually access it through the things like here, like Yahoo World Stock Indexes. Well, let's go to Asia Pacific, and you can see all the Asia Pacific countries, their major indexes. You can actually see it here, like the All Ordinary of Australia, Shanghai Composite, Hang Seng, Jakarta, Malaysia, Nikkei, New Zealand, Straits Times, Seoul, Korea, Taiwan. Well, not all of them actually give you live indexes, because certain exchange actually they will charge the live feed. So as a free page for people to access, like Yahoo, probably they don't want to pay that. So there are certain indexes, actually there's a delay of maybe about 15 minutes. But since you actually want to see what is the reaction of what is happening to other Asia market that has opened before us, I mean some of them a bit of delay don't really matter, right? So well, I think Nikkei probably is a live one, Seoul is a live data, Hong Kong is a delay, and Shanghai is a live data. So all these again, as time goes, you will get used to it, and you know how to access it and make use of the data to actually interpret an expectation of what will happen in Singapore market. So for example, like sometimes you can see that, for example, like in Korea, when I open the time, because overnight US market dropped 200 points, Korea side open gap down, and then after about 15-30 minutes they start trading up. So maybe you could expect in Singapore market could be respond in that manner too. So if you have some share, you may don't want to really hurry when open market to sell, because it could be open gap down and then slowly trade up first. Then you can get out. See? So these are some of the example of the trading idea that you can make use of it. And of course, also as time goes, you may also want to visit some of the market forum to see some gossiping, see what other people say, something here and there. Of course, those people who participate in the forum may have their own agenda, say want to talk something up for the mark or the particular share or so. But of course, some good point is that sometimes you may also be able to find some news of particular stocks that it may not available in the market yet, right? But just beware, and there always have some ulterior motive for people who participate in the forums. And for Singapore side, probably at the moment, still the most popular one probably is Share Investor forums, which again you can I have a link there. You can actually check it out. Okay, then subsequently, as time goes, at certain critical point in time, I may also do some emailing recommendations and also set up the watch list for you. Also, you should also make full use of the SGX website to access the news. Where to find that? Okay. Here it is. Global Stock Exchange. By the way, some information you want to find like Hong Kong share also, you can actually go to the Hong Kong Stock Exchange web page to find. I just want to show you like how you can make use of the Singapore Stock Exchange. Take for example, like you go to the Stock Exchange page. Okay, the recent example is like what was Banju. Yesterday start trading at 3 o'clock. Before it was actually trading hot for Thursday, and then Thursday and then Friday was only trading hot on Monday on Friday morning, yesterday morning, and then it start trading again at 3 o'clock the same day. All this where you can find this news and where can you find that it will start trading is all from here. Okay, you can go to like listed company. Listed company, then you go to announcement. Of course, if you are expecting certain news that you're going to announce today, what weekday time lah? What you need to do is on this site, you just because they're going to have a lot of. Let's say go to today. So these are the news that are announcing today. So, for example, like yesterday, if you are expecting Banju to have some news coming out, all you need to do is just keep refreshing this page, and probably you will be the first one who know the news. Because all the listed company in Singapore, be it Singapore originated or other country originated, any announcement they want to make, they have to first inform stock exchange. And this will be the source the first source that the news is going to appear.